Hey guys, it's been a long day with my family. I'm finna do a quick little snack. He likes being out, kicking it with his friends. And I was that same way, it's just my mother didn't let me out. The video ain't gonna be long at all.
Yeah, I am. You are? Yeah, the only thing that I'm worried about is just it's so racist. Like the area.
Well, not a little Confederate flags.
Big Confederate flags.
I don't have a lot of chunks left.
It's going to be a team.
I got all the money to eat.
It's in Cleveland, Tennessee, a small town.
I do know.
Predominantly white town. He was offered Division II basketball scholarship. Have you thought about how you're going to deal with if somebody says something racist to you or somebody?
Yeah, I have actually. I'm just going to educate them. You forget when you're surrounded by so many successful black people in a city because that's.
Yes, it's been a long day. We went to skating ring today. My husband hate when I eat these chunks. I had 3 of them. I gave one of them away though to my mother-in-law. She like cornstarch too.
It's all hands working together. They bring you the most delicious, freshest tasting juice you can find.
That is different. Okay, where do I check out?
2 trees down and take a right.
And I'm gonna get Joe on him. He told me he gonna go live packing. I ain't seen that Joker on that video yet.
I know it's beautiful. I want it. See, all you gotta do is get in the medical industry for you to have a big house like this too. You're not a doctor. Your daddy is. I would never have thought that I would love suburban living. Do you like this? I love it. Isn't that cool? Maybe we're going straight to the backyard. But that was the best decision I could have made for the Harris family. It's the perfect place to raise children.
Good night, y'all. I had to have me a snack. Peace out. I hope y'all have a good night. See y'all next week.